Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the third door, faithfulness. Faith without works are dead. Obviously, you have been putting in the work. Now, this word for the third door, the key is consistency, showing up every day, even on the days that you don't feel like putting in some work. Every day, you should be building a brick to your foundation to the reality or the life that you want to build for yourself. You've already set the foundation. Now, consistently show up to the work site and put in the work until you've built your dream. I commit to my mind, heart, and will. I'm devoted to the needs of my soul, and I trust myself, God, and in the universe. You've won. You won. You win. The future is full of bright circumstances, breakthroughs. You just have to work your way through it to earn your leisure, earn your life, and your blessings. You came this far not to stop. You've earned so much. You have this great opportunity. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.